Day everyone, my name is LP Rebollo Jr. and I'm excited to present to you an essential topic in physics. Electrostatics. This field of study explores electric charge, their interaction, and the force that govern them. Throughout this presentation, we'll cover key concepts such as the structure of atom and how charge originate, the process of charging different objects, Coulomb's law which describes the force between electric charge, the electric field and its significance, electric lines of field and how they represent electric forces, the electric field due to point charge, electric potential and potential difference, crucial for understanding electrical energy, and finally, capacitors which stores or release electric charge. By the end of this discussion, I hope you'll have a deeper understanding of electrostatics and its real-world application. Let's get started. Tense. Electrostatics, structure of atom, process of charging, Coulomb's law, electric field, electric lines of field, electric field due to point of charge, electric potential and potential difference, and capacitors. Electrostatics is the branch of physics that deals with the study of electric charges at rest. It focuses on the forces, fields, and potential associated with the static charges. Process of charging. First, friction. Transfer of electron by rubbing two objects together. Second, conduction. Transfer through direct contact. Lastly, induction. Charging without direct contact by bringing charged object near neutral one. Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law describes the electrostatic force between two charged particles. It states that F is equal to K Q sub 1 Q sub 2 all over R square, where F is the electrostatic force between the charge. K is Coulomb's constant. Q sub 1 and Q sub 2 are the magnitudes of the two charges. R is the distance between the charges. Electric fields. An electric field is a region around a charged object where other charged objects experience a force. It is a vector field that describes the influence a charge has on the other charges in its vicinity. Electric line of force. Electric lines of force are visual representations of an electric field. They show the direction of the field, pointing away from positive charges and toward negative charges. The lines are closer together, where the field is stronger and never cross. They originate from positive charge and end at negative charges or extend to infinity. Electric field due to point of charge. The electric field E due to a point of charge is a vector field that describes the force per unit charge experienced by a small test charge placed at any point in space. The electric field points away from a positive charge and toward a negative charge. The formula for the electric field E due to point of charge Q is E is equal to KQ all over R square. Electric potential and potential difference. Mathematically, it's expressed as V equals U over Q, where V is the electric potential, U is the electric potential, and Q is the electric charge. The unit of electric potential is the volt V, where 1V equals 1 joule per coulomb. Mathematically, V sub A equals V sub B minus V sub A, where V sub AB is the potential difference between points A and B. V sub A and V sub B are the electric potentials at points A and B, respectively. A higher potential difference means more energy is required to move a charge between those points. Capacitors. A capacitor stores electrical energy. Capacitance C is defined as C equals Q over V, where Q is the charge stored and V is the voltage. As we wrap up, I'd like to thank everyone for your time and attention today. We have explored the fascinating world of electrostatics, from understanding the structure of atoms to the principles of Coulomb's law, electric fields, potential difference, and capacitors. These concepts are fundamental in many real-world applications, from everyday electronics to advanced technologies. I hope this presentation has deepened your understanding of how electric forces shape the world around us. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to discuss them. Once again, I'm LP Rebol Jr., and it's been a pleasure sharing this topic with you.